Hey guys, Chris here, also known as Mr. Thrifter, and we are about to head to an estate sale pickup of a video game lot that I can't believe I won for 38 bucks. I'm not going to explain too much about it. Let's just strap on the GoPro and head over there right now.
I'll get her my phone.
I got this. Got it all?
Do you remember who called me?
And there's this guy too. You're welcome.
Hi, number 7?
7?
The girl.
What did you buy?
The video game lot.
Right here. 7.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Alright guys, so we're back in the kitchen and we have the video game stuff right here. And like I said, I paid $38 for all the video games inside this bag, which is absolutely incredible. I mean, I can't believe that no one else bid on this stuff here. But we have Zelda Ocarina of Time. This is an easy, around $40 game on eBay. We got Punch-Out for the Nintendo Entertainment System. This, I believe, is was worth more than I originally thought it was. I thought this was like a $5 game, but this is actually more than that. Like, I think 20 or 30, around that price range. Then we have Resident Evil Code Veronica X for the PS2. This one was actually not worth as much as I thought it would be. Probably about 10 bucks for this game. And it's also got no manual too, so that's unfortunate. But the biggest game out of this bag is this one right here. This is The Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess for the Nintendo GameCube. And if you guys know anything about Zelda, Zelda and Nintendo can be a pretty powerful combination and could result in a lot of really, really good money. I actually didn't even think that this game was worth that much. I honestly thought that this game was worth only about, $30 or $40. But man, was I wrong. The only thing I'm upset about is the fact that there's no manual in here. So maybe I'll go on eBay and I'll buy the manual for this game, and that way I can make it complete. But the disc itself is great. It's in great condition, and I'm pretty happy about that. So we also got Mario Kart Double Dash. Now this game, another one that's worth a lot of money on eBay. This is about an $80 game in total, I think, $80 to $90. This one does have the manual, so that is really good. And of course, the disc is in immaculate condition, almost no scratches on there, so that is gonna really be good for me. There's these kind of looks like sticker marks on here. I'm gonna scrape these off. I'm gonna get these all cleaned up here and make the overall case way more presentable. And then the game case also came with these two. These two are not worth that much, I don't believe. But Tiger Woods PGA Tour for the Tiger Woods PGA Tour 2004 for the PS2, no case, just the disc. And then Gran Turismo 3 for the PS2. This one is complete, but this one too. I don't believe these two games are worth that much, but if they are worth more than I think, then the comps will be up on screen.
So that's all the stuff that we got at this estate sale, guys. It wasn't a long video. It was just a very short one, just the one video game haul today. But man, that is a lot of profit. $38 into Legend of Zelda. I mean, we don't have the manual, so I can't say it sells for $130, but it is in great condition. So I think I could probably get about, hopefully around $100 for that game right there. We got Mario Kart Double Dash, which is like an easy $80 game. That's not even including the Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time for the N64 or Punch-Out on the Nintendo Entertainment System. So great haul today. Even though it was small, it wasn't a lot of games, but it was still very, very, very good value. But I'm really excited because it looks like garage sales are going to be starting back up again. Estate sales are going to be allowing people to go back into people's houses instead of just online estate sale stuff. So I really hope that in the near future, I'm going to be able to start going to garage sales and going to estate sales first person with the GoPro on and showing you all the cool deals that I find firsthand. So if you guys like watching this stuff, if you guys like watching me find really cool stuff and showing you all the stuff that sells and cool tips on how to resell on places like Amazon and eBay, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. Don't be afraid to hit that like button down below, and we will see you guys in the next one.